Yo, Lester here. In this video, we're gonna be talking about deal pipelines and how it works in HubSpot. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So napapagod ka na ba na mag-track ng yung sales? Especially if you're the business owner, especially if you have a long sales process. So one of the best tool to help you manage that is yung tinatawag na deal pipelines. And yung ating favorite tool, yung aking expertise, which is HubSpot, is one of the best tool to use in this specific process. And the best part is you can do that for free. Paano? Alright, we'll discuss that on this video. First and foremost, the most important thing na kailangan maintindihan about deal pipelines is ano ba talaga siya and how it works, no? To illustrate that, I'll rather show you instead of just talking about it, no? By the way, if you don't have HubSpot yet, just go to HubSpot.com and sign up for free and you can get this whole setup for free, alright? So, the first thing you wanted to do is go to CRM and then deals. So, ano ba yung deals? So, let's try and explain it in layman's term, no? Deals are potential sales. So, ibig sabihin, if someone inquire about your services and alam mo na kung sila ba ay qualified to buy, at least may possibility na sila ibibili, that could be a potential deal. Pero it doesn't mean na everyone nag-inquiry, pag naman di sila qualified, then you get that sale. The point is, you wanted to know yung mga inquiries and yung mga prospects, you have to track possibility ng pagbili nila. I think that should be easy enough, no? Out of 100 people, not everyone buy, but you have to track them and where they are on the buying stage. Doon ngayon pumapasok yung deal pipeline. Now, specifically in HubSpot, there's this thing called objects, yung mga tao sa system, yung mga contacts, yung mga company sa system, yung mga deals. These are all the main objects na meron sa HubSpot. Now, why is this important? Itong mga objects na ito yung nagsisilbing representation ng mga nangyayari sa negosyo natin. Of course, the companies are the companies that we deal with. But it doesn't mean na customers lang siya. Pwedeng yung mga suppliers, pwedeng yung mga partners, but in most cases, talking about potential clients. And then, the contacts are the people under the companies. These people, at some point, will buy something for you or at least show intent ng pagbili sa'yo. And that's what we call deals. So, itong mga nag-inquire sa atin, gagawa natin siya ng deal object sa HubSpot. Hope that makes sense. Hope that's simple enough. Now, once you have that information, you wanna put that on your deal pipeline. Simple lang, yung deal pipeline ay merong mga stages. Itong mga stages na to, pwede natin siyang i-modify. You have to make sure na alam mo is, ano ba yung sales process mo? Ano yung stages, step by step, para if someone inquired, ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin para madala mo siya into a one stage. In this specific example, yan, may mga stages siya. So, nag-appointment schedule, kita nila na qualified to buy, so i-move mo lang itong card na to. Tapos, in this case, kailangan mo ng presentation. And then, at some point, kailangan mo ng buy-in ng decision maker. And then, eventually, mag-send ka ng contract. And ang tawag dito ay Kanban board. So, for those of you who've used Trello, you've used Asana, so you're familiar with Kanban. And this very same concept, no? Na you just move a card from one stage to another. Obviously, dito, malinis pa to kasi isang card lang yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. But obviously, you can create a lot of different cards. Let me show you an example. Card or deal 2, for example. Deal 2 ay 450,000, just for example's sake. Of course, you have to fill out a lot of different fields which you can discuss in different time. Pero what's important now is just show you the simulation of, okay, once you create a deal, then you'll have this whole profile. Sa simula, medyo overwhelming to, no? Pero what I want you to focus on now is how it moves through the cycle, no? So if you have like hundreds of these, then you would know which one of these cards are in. And you'll notice, diba, itong 450 na to, pag minove mo siya, yung total na 450 na pupunta sa ilalim. Let's say itong 1.5 na to, nandun na rin, sa presentation na rin. Ayan, nagtototal na siya automatically. Ganun siya ka-powerful. Make sense ba? You move that until you won. Or, hindi naman laging won. Minsan, you lost it. Like, hindi pala sila interested bumili. Or whatever reason. You can still track it. And this is very, very powerful for, especially mga business-to-business na selling. Kasi lagi may presentation muna, may bidding, may iba-ibang stages, no? So, if you are working in HubSpot, or you're gonna work with someone like us who implement HubSpot for a living, our first discussion is about, wala mo ng HubSpot. What's your sales process? What's your step-by-step to get to that point? From inquiry to qualified until you say you won or lost them. And we'll create those stages, Kanban, and we'll try and identify ano ba yung qualification para masabing pwede mo na siyang i-move sa next section. Kung isa or dalawa pa lang yung sales people mo, I mean, sometimes hindi mo naman masyado kailangan pa ng ganito ka-powerful na CRM tool. If you're getting a lot of potential deals, if you have a big sales team, then having a tool like this is definitely a must para everyone's aligned, especially if you have multiple products, multiple solutions, then you know what stages each one is on. We're just seeing the tip of the iceberg. There's a ton of discussions that we have to talk about in terms of building deal pipelines, and that's what we do, by the way. If you need help aligning your sales process, especially if you're B2B, especially you have a big team, then we can help. Check our website, www.flyhubdigital.com, or you can check the comment section below so we could talk about your sales process, and hopefully that's something that we can work together. So hope that helps. See, we'll be posting a lot of different other videos about deals pipelines and sales alignment and CRMs and ERPs. We also provide ERPs, so you can check that on this channel. Again, my name is Lester. I hope this helps, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.